Okay, are you Samia?
Yes, I'm Samia.
Okay, so what's your full name?
My full name is Shakila Jannat Samia.
Okay, what's the nickname?
Samia.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
What class do you study?
I read in class 8.
Okay, class 8. What shall you present today?
We present likely to.
Okay, that's fine. Likely to, what's that?
We can express our high probability or expression that will happen by using likely to.
Okay, what are the sentences structure?
Subject plus to be plus likely to plus verb base plus extension.
Okay, give me some example.
I am likely to go to school today. I am likely to eat rice. Father is likely to go to market. I am likely to come English arena. That's all.
Okay, that's fine. So, what is the question structure?
To be plus subject plus likely to plus verb base plus extension plus interrogation.
Okay, ask some question.
Are you likely to buy a pen? Are you likely to go to school? Is father likely to go to school? Is mother likely to cook rice?
Okay, that's fine. So, আমার নিউ মার্কেটে যাওয়ার সম্ভাবনা আছে।
I am likely to go to New Market.
আমার রংপুরে যাওয়ার সম্ভাবনা আছে।
I am likely to go to Rangpur.
তোমার কি ঢাকায় যাওয়ার সম্ভাবনা আছে?
Are you likely to go to Dhaka?
তাদের কি বাজারে যাওয়ার সম্ভাবনা আছে?
Are they likely to go to market?
সামিয়ার কি কবিতা পাঠ করার সম্ভাবনা আছে?
Is Samia likely to recite poem?
ওকে, আমার কোরআন তেলাওয়াত করার সম্ভাবনা আছে।
I am likely to recite the Holy Quran.
তোমার নামাজ পড়ার সম্ভাবনা আছে।
You are likely to saying prayer.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, thank you.